Did you know, Jadis, a man's brain could forget how to see while his eyes worked perfectly? Patient DF was living a normal life until carbon monoxide poisoning changed everything. His vision remained crystal clear, but his brain lost the ability to recognize anything he saw. He couldn't identify a telephone, a coffee cup, or even his own face in the mirror. Yet somehow, he could walk around objects without bumping into them. The mystery deepened when doctors watched him describe items in perfect detail without knowing what they were. He could post letters through mail slots but had no idea what a letter was. Then came the most shocking discovery of all. When asked to draw objects he couldn't name, his sketches were flawlessly accurate. His hand knew exactly what his mind had forgotten. This revealed something incredible about how our brains work. We have separate pathways for seeing and recognizing. One stream guides our actions, the other identifies what we see. DF's case proved consciousness and recognition are more complex than anyone imagined.